Welcome back, bentornati su My Football Jersey. Here you are, a retro jersey of the 1996. I was 20 years old. I remember very well the home jersey of Spain of a great player, Raúl. I like this jersey really much. In my ranking, this is a 5 stars. I like the colors. I raise this stripe on the left. In my ranking is one of the best. Let me know if you agree or not. If you like the jersey, smash the like button and tell me in the comments here below what do you think and what other jersey would like to see in the future. Subscribe the channel, that it's really important because it means a lot for me and it helps me to show you different jersey every day. For today that's all. See you next time. Ciao.